Okay, I'm going to have a look at this little device today. This is what I bought for the Canon camera that I do have. This is a dual battery charger. Bought on cheap on Amazon. So I thought we'd have a look. Basically, it's USB powered. So USB port is right there. And obviously you can power 2 batteries from this, which also come with the kit. These are the batteries. That's the type of battery the Canon M100 uses. And so I thought we'd have a little look inside this little device and see what we have. This is what I'll be using. My precision screwdriver set. Sorry, mechanic set. Don't know why it's specifically for mechanics. I'm not a mechanic. Are you a mechanic? I don't think you are. Well, you could be. If you are, then you need to use this. So let's get the thing apart. Let's have a look. 2 screws at bottom. 2 screws up to bottom. Obviously, self tappers. Let me get this light right in here, shall we? So you can actually see me unscrewing this ting. Okay. Let's see if it just easily come apart, which I don't think it will. What if the bottom is nah. Don't tell me it's clipped together. And this is a screw in the middle. There's a little dent there, but I don't think it's a screwy hole. That seems to have not loosened it whatsoever. No, I clearly don't want to break this because I'm actually currently using it. So let me have a little look and I'll come back and so we get this thing apart for us to have a look at. Right, we're back. Just before we open it up, that's the specs. Output 8.4 volts. I think that's 620 milliamps times 2. Input 5 volts. So it's got to be a step up. Now this case was a right bastard to get off. I think they hot snotted it by the glue port. What I basically did was stuck a screwdriver in the screw hole, like so, and bent out sideways. So yeah, we have a dark board, so it's not really going to show up too well on the camera. Seems to be quite well made. Bit of a flux residue around the connections, but I can live with that. Another screw. Now let's see. Wiggles out. Oh, look at that. That looks a bit sexy, doesn't it? Very interesting. Little pogo pins today. Bounce up and down. Bouncy, bouncy. Let's see if we can get a reading. Ah, they've wiped the busted chip. Obviously it's going to be some sort of power management chip. There's a capacitors. Unknown brand as usual. K-Lang. Sound very professional. But what you do notice is 2 inductors there, and it looks like that's one boost circuit, that is another boost circuit. So what it's essentially doing is boosting the 5 volts that come in here up to, what did I say, 7.4 volts, did I say? Where's the back? 8.4 volts. So that ups another 3.4 volts. Using those inductors and that capacitor and that diode, you're able to increase that voltage. Obviously that chip is obviously a battery monitoring chip. Obviously the 2 LEDs there are just for red when they're charging, green when they're complete. But yeah, that is a a common boost circuit right there. So that's quite interesting. It was on Amazon, bought on Amazon for I think around about a tenner, £12 I think. Something along those lines. Rev 1.1. Well, they did well, didn't they? Yeah, as I say, a little bit of flux residue over the board, but obviously they had to manually solder those pogo pins in. But that's quite neat. I quite like that. That's quite a cool little circuit. Does the job. Works very well so far. Quick charges those batteries. I used a quick charge for my Samsung to put these two batteries in two at one time. Charge pretty quick. So I quite like that. Do have a couple of quid. Do recommend getting. Never heard of the manufacturer name before, but as anybody. So if you like that, give me a thumbs up. And obviously I open these things so you guys don't have to. You know, so we'll have a look together instead of breaking your own one. I mean, this will go back together again, so there's no worries about that, and still be able to reuse it. So that is pretty cool. I like it. That's a thumbs up from me. Spot on. Get focus on my thumb, you bastard. Thumbs up. See you guys next time, YouTubers.